Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Dream League Soccer 2020. It's another tutorial. Then open Play Store, type Dream League Soccer 2020. After click enter, then go to Dream League Soccer, but me have installed Dream League Soccer, so you have to install Dream League Soccer, but me I'm going to reopen it. Go to open if it has been finished to be installed. Open it and start your gaming mode. Transfers, you go to the agents and scouts and the others.